How to buy gems in Legend Fighter Mortal Battle. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Legend Fighter and want to buy gems, then firstly open up the Legend Fighter Mortal Battle game on your Android or iOS and sign into your game account. Once you're inside the main menu, go ahead and tap on the shop button at the bottom left. And from the store page that appears on the screen, click on Gem Pack. Now, browse the available gem packages and select the one you want to purchase. Review the package and tap on the Get Now button. You can see the prices for each bundles. You can also watch a video to earn free diamonds or gems. You can also look for the other tabs. For example, I'm going to go to this daily tab over here. From here, you can go to the gem. If you don't want to buy the whole packages, you can also go ahead and select a certain amount of gems over here. Look at the prices, and once you have enough price or coins to purchase the gem, you can tap on the purchase button in green at the bottom. So that's how you can easily purchase gems from your Legend Fighter Mortal Battle game. If you are trying to purchase from the package option, then you can review the price and complete the payment using your Google Play or Apple App Store payment method. Once the payment is successful, the purchased gems will be added to your account immediately. So that is how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.